Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Shafi Sardar, Faculty of Computer Science, S.G College, Koppal. In today's session, we are going to discuss capturing and editing videos and authoring programs. Now, let us discuss authoring programs. Authoring programs are basically used to create multimedia titles like animation title, advertisement title, or any book title, or it may a different kinds of multimedia title which is going to communicate with the user. So these type of programs or titles with the help of multimedia can be created using authoring programs. Basically, authoring programs used to develop the following task into multimedia titles. For example, you can produce the contents with the paint, you can add the text, or you can create animations using animation tools. Authoring program basically help us to work with graphics where you can use the paint type of program to draw or to design any objects required for the multimedia title, as well as you can add different titles, headings, subheadings, a text, paragraph, so many things you can add as a text, as well as you can add animations to the multimedia title. Along with that, authoring program also help us to design screen layouts using different kinds of templates. Templates are ready-made designs where it helps us to select the background color, the bullets and numbering styles, and the text heading, subheading, the fonts, font style. There's so many things included in a single template. Using the templates, you can design your screen layout, and as well as you can include the interactivity where user can interact with the multimedia title, how is going to communicate with the application. So that is you can adopt into the multimedia title using interactivity features of authoring programs. And you can also incorporate text, sound, video, animations, and graphics into the multimedia titles with the help of authoring programs. And authoring program also help us to create hyperlinks. These are the special type of text which has a link. When the user clicks on the hyperlinks, it is going to jump to another page. So basically, it provides the navigation. So you can navigate between the multimedia titles. You can jump to a particular section, or you can come back. So many things you can do with the help of hyperlinks. These are the some of the tasks that help us authoring programs to include into the multimedia titles. And multimedia authoring programs vary in significantly in features, as well as in terms of cost or in terms of ease of use. Nowadays, there are dozens of authoring programs available in the market where you can compare with various options. So what are the criteria you should look to choose a particular authoring program? The following criteria you should consider. The first thing is the authoring program, on which platform it works. The platform, it may be a Mac, or it may be a Windows, or it may be a iOS. So which kind of platform you the authoring program used to develop the multimedia titles and playback requirement for the multimedia titles, as well as the way the developer works with them and ease of use. How authoring program help us to provide with the different tools to include various features into the multimedia titles and how far easiness provided in the programs. The third feature, you should look for a paint tool where you can draw free drawings to draw a character or to draw any pattern, or it provides a animation tool, so where you can do different kinds of tweening animation, morphing animation. So these are the some of the tools that includes as a feature into the authoring program, as well as it should allow to program with the help of some programming language. And above all this, you need to consider one more criteria, that is price. What is the cost of the software? So whether it is available with free of cost, or whether you need to invest for purchasing these type of authoring programs, as well as what are the learning curve, means what are the difficulties are there into the authoring program to learn the different features of the program, and as well as it should provide the ability to develop multimedia applications and delivered via the internet. Nowadays, internet is the buzzword. Whatever the programs and applications, all are available online, and you can access these multimedia application with the help of internet. So you should look for authoring programs which help us to create applications that run on internet. And now let us see uses of multimedia. So multimedia users can be categorized into two ways. The first one is the presentations, and the second one is standalone titles. Let us see one by one. The first, multimedia presentation. So at present, I'm giving a lecture. It is one type of presentation where the presenter is representing the audience, more than one person's. So the presenter present his presentation to more than one persons. So these type of presentations you can do with the help of multimedia presentations. So I'm giving here some of the examples. For example, a college professor lecturing on the art collection of the Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg, and using computer to display various paintings as well as biographies of the artists. So a lecturer or a professor can present his presentation along with different graphics, paintings, artist biographic pic. So many things he can present it with the help of multimedia presentation. The second example is a sales presentation in which the representative uses a computer to display the company's new product line. So he is going to present a new product with the animations, how the products are working. So if a sales representative want to promote the product lines of a company, he can prepare a presentation with the animation, and he can demonstrate it with animation effect, how the product works, what are the benefits of product. So in third example, for example, a corporate CEO making a presentation at an annual stakeholders meeting and using computer to display the highlights of past performance of company, and he represent various graphical representations of organization structure, corporate officers, as well as the financial data. So balance sheet, profit and loss account, all this data he can present it with this, sophisticatedly with the help of multimedia presentations. So in these cases, the presenter has a control over the multimedia titles, and these type of presentations are one way, means it's a linear communication process. Only the presenter speaks on the presentation, and audience is going to listen the presentations. That is one way communication type of presentation. So if the multimedia title allows the presenter to quickly navigate through different contents in the presentation, it will be very effective type of presentation. These type of presentations are useful when the presenter want to utilize the power of multimedia while maintaining control of the presentation. So many of the presentations are similar to slideshow, and these type of presentation can be developed very easily, quickly, and with a less cost, inexpensively. So these are you can develop it very easily with the help of some of the programs like Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so this is one use of multimedia. And the second one is you can develop standalone application with the help of multimedia authoring programs. Here, standalone titles are those intended for use of individuals. If you want to use a presentation or any type of multimedia title that can be used with one-on-one situation, means if you want to communicate the information with one person, then you need to create standalone applications. So here I'm quoting some examples like a computer-based simulation of a biology lab procedure in which students learn how to dissect frog. So if you want to provide a virtual lab to the students, how to dissect the different parts of the frog with the graphical animations or different objects on the screen, then you can have a standalone application, and one student can do practical sessions with virtual lab. And you can provide information with the help of kiosk in a shopping mall, where the customer can locate various stores and product lines, and customer can easily search those products with the help of the kiosk installed or located in the shopping mall. And as well as you can create a interactive CD, so that provides a encyclopedia, and easily you can search your information in the library of encyclopedia. And as well as you can create a CD based sales catalog, so distributed through the mail or potential customers. Suppose think that if you want to grab the customers, it is better to provide your all product line with the help of CD based sales catalog. Instead of giving a printed catalog, you can create a soft copy of CD based sales catalog. And as well as you can provide a corporate training through CD, where it teaches the employees how to deal with different kinds of customers. So you can train the employees so that how he should handle angry customers with the company. And as well as to solve the mystery of adventurous games, you can distribute with the help of CD. These are all different kinds of applications are considered as standalone applications. And here the major advantages of a standalone application is that the user has a control, and he can determine what to view and what to review, and based on his or her needs. As per his requirements, he can access the contents as per the needs. So he can jump to a particular section, or he can easily navigate, or what section he want to refer. So easily he can access through standalone applications. All standalone authoring programs have one thing common: the ability to create hyperlinks. As I told, hyperlinks are special type of text which has a link, a relationship link between two elements or two objects. So you can jump from one title to another title very easily with the help of hyperlink. So these type of hyperlink text are also called as hot word or hypertext. When you click on these type of text, it causes the program to jump to another screen or to another section. This makes the titles generally more difficult, expensive, and time consuming to develop compared to multimedia presentation type titles. So these are all features of standalone applications. So this is what today's discussion. If you have any doubt or query, you may send to my WhatsApp group or to my uh, mobile number. You can text me also. Okay, so I will reply to your query. So thank you for watching today's session.